This is a U.S. artillery shell that's over 60 years old. If you didn't know, the United States fired over 7.5 million artillery shells during the Vietnam War. But later, these American shells turned into a business that generates millions of dollars for the Vietnamese. First, they search for the shells and collect them from old battlefields. Then they sell them to blacksmiths, who select the hard, high-carbon shells, cut them into suitable pieces, forge them, remove impurities, and reshape them. From this process, they produce hundreds or even thousands of steel knives, sharp enough to cut through iron.